Welcome, and thank you for joining me on this body scan meditation. This practice helps to reconnect with your body, calm your mind, and care for your soul. Wherever you are, find a position, either sitting or lying down, where you can focus and be fully relaxed. Take a moment to get comfortable. Make sure you feel grounded and supported by the surface beneath you. Close your eyes if it feels right, or soften your gaze. Begin to turn your attention inward, letting the external world become quiet. Now, bring your focus to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing. Don't judge it, just observe it. Feel the air as it enters through your nose, fills your lungs, and gently leaves your body. Let's take 3 deep breaths together. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold for a moment. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do this again. Inhale deeply. Hold. And exhale completely. One more time. A deep inhale. Hold. And a full exhale. With each breath, feel your body softening and your muscles relaxing. Let go of tension and worry, and allow yourself to settle into this moment. Allow yourself to be in this moment. Let's begin by bringing attention to the top of your head. Imagine a gentle wave of warmth and relaxation gliding over the top of your head. Notice any sensations, perhaps a slight tingling from the movement of your hair. There's no need to judge or change anything, just observe. Now bring your focus to your forehead. Soften any tightness here. Relax your eyebrows. Notice the space between your eyes and notice it expanding. Each time you exhale, imagine the tension fading away. More tension dissolves each time you exhale. Shift your awareness to your eyes. Feel the weight of them inside your head. Let them become heavy. With each exhale, release the tension around your eyes. Each breath releases a little more tension until your eyes feel fully relaxed. Feel the cool air move through your nostrils as you breathe in. Feel the warm air release as you exhale. Move your attention to your cheeks and jaw. Notice if there is any tension here. If so, release your jaw and allow your tongue to rest gently in your mouth. Notice your lips, the air brushing against them as you breathe in and out. Bring your focus to your neck and throat. Notice how this area feels. With each exhale, imagine your neck softening, the muscles releasing any tightness. As you move your awareness to your shoulders, imagine them releasing away from your ears. Allow them to feel heavy, releasing any burden they might be carrying. Now, bring your attention to your arms. Begin at the tops of your arms, noticing the sensations in your shoulders and upper arms. Allow them to feel heavy and relaxed. Shift your awareness to your elbows. Feel the air around them or the fabric of the sleeves of your shirt against them. Simply notice. Move to your forearms, feeling the connection of your arms to the space around you. Now focus on your wrists. Notice any sensations here. Feel the gentle pulse of your heartbeat, the way your wrists connect to your hands and to your arms. Bring your attention to your hands. Allow them to feel heavy. Relax your palms, your fingers. Notice any tingling or sensations. Feel the warmth radiate through each fingertip. Now bring your focus to your chest. Notice the natural rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Feel the expansion as you inhale and the softening as you exhale. Place your awareness on your heart. Feel the steady rhythm of your heart beating like waves inside your body. Shift to your upper back. Notice the sensations here. Feel the muscles in your upper back. If you sense any tightness, imagine it dissolving like a cloud as you exhale. Move your awareness to your diaphragm. Feel it expanding as you breathe in and contract as you breathe out. Notice any subtle movements or sensations. Allow it to fully relax. Shift your awareness down to your lower belly. Feel the inhale expand and the exhale contract and release any tension in your belly. Bring your attention to your side body. Notice how your ribs move with each breath. Let your focus drift down to your hips. Breathe into this area, letting any tightness melt away. Now focus on your thighs. Feel their connection to the surface beneath you. Notice the heaviness of your thighs against the surface supporting you. Shift your attention to your knees, observing any sensations such as warmth or coolness. Bring your awareness to your lower legs. Feel the muscles and bones here. Notice the space that they take up. Imagine them becoming lighter with each breath. Finally, move to your feet. Notice the connection of your feet to the ground. Feel the sensations in your heels, the arches of your feet, and each toe. Imagine warmth flowing into every part of your feet, grounding you. Now bring your awareness to your entire body as a whole. Feel the interconnectedness of all its parts. Notice the rhythm of your breath moving through you, creating a sense of unity and balance. Take a moment to observe this. Notice how you feel now compared to when you began. Simply observe with kindness and curiosity and without judgment. Feel a nurturing glow wrapping around you like a soft blanket of serenity and strength. This light symbolizes the equilibrium and peace you've cultivated today. If any thoughts arise, acknowledge them and let them drift away like clouds in the sky. Return to the feeling of your body as a whole, grounded and present. If any thoughts arise, acknowledge them and let them drift away like clouds in the sky. Return to the feeling of your body as a whole, grounded and present. As we near the end of this meditation, begin to deepen your breath. Feel the air filling your lungs more fully and leaving more completely. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing small movements back to your body. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes or lift your gaze. Give your mind and body time to come back to the day in front of you. Take a moment to notice the space around you. Feel the connection between your body and the ground beneath you. Let yourself come back to the present moment, carrying a sense of peace and mindfulness with you. Thank yourself for taking this time to nurture your well-being. You've given yourself a great gift of presence and care. When you're ready, move gently back into your day, knowing that you can return to this state of mindfulness and relaxation whenever you need.